Ford key fobs vary by model. First, identify your fob type by checking your owner's manual or Ford's website. Common types include flip key, like on the Escape, or button only, like on the Fiesta. For DIY replacement, you'll typically need a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery, which costs around $5 to $10 at most stores. Using the correct tools prevents damage to the fob casing. Gather these before starting. Locate the seam or release button on the fob's edge. Gently pry it open, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Avoid metal tools if possible. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, positive side up. Insert the new CR232 battery, ensuring correct polarity to avoid shorts. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob by pressing lock-unlock buttons multiple times or cycling the ignition to resync it with your vehicle. Wear gloves to avoid skin oils on contacts and dispose of the old battery properly by recycling it.